One.
Okay.
So what you cooking up over here?
This is I'm trying some scallops.
Okay.
So it's gonna be like a cheesy meal today. Right?
Mm.
In order to do this, you gotta parboil the potatoes. You can't boil them all the way through, right? You boil them, right, so that way they can slice, right? You only see when you slice them, you see they don't break up, right? So you gotta parboil them enough that they cook, but not too much that you break them up, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the next thing is the onions right here. Push back a little bit. I'm gonna add the onions to it. Right, onion, garlic.
Yep.
Remember, the potatoes almost kind of cooked already, right?
Yeah.
I always do my onions like this because if you cut it, then it goes bad. When you peel it, it never goes bad. Food for thought. You just learned something, right? So that way you can leave it out and it never goes bad. Garlic. I like to use original stuff, garlic, instead of the powder. This is better for me. Get more flavor.
Okay.
Right.
Is this your first time making it?
You know what? I made it before, one time before, but I didn't do all of this.
Okay.
I experimented before, but I didn't do all of this stuff. Like garlic and onions, no, I didn't do it. Because today I'm going to try it with a slice of pineapple as well.
Ooh.
And you got the pineapple. Pineapple. Pineapple, there we go. Those pineapples, right?
Mm-hmm.
Never had pineapples and cheese before, but we gonna try it today.
Odd food combo.
Yeah, it's very odd. But trust me, I'm confident about this.
Mm-hmm. Gotta take a chance.
I'm very confident about this. It's gonna taste good. So we add the black pepper. Add the black pepper, right? You can never add too much black pepper. Black pepper is the truth, right? You think that's enough potatoes, or we need more potatoes? Should I leave that for breakfast, or leave that to make some for breakfast, or use all of it?
I think you should leave some for breakfast,
Okay.
maybe.
Okay. All right. So that's
Ration
good.
and stuff.
All right. That's next. The next thing. You're doing it. Oh man. Don't get all of that. Get this. Just only that. Then we're gonna add some shadow benny. Step up. Okay. Now let me just add the shadow benny. Can you see what you're doing?
Mm-hmm.
That's the last part. One more thing after this and that's it. We call it shadow benny. I don't know. I forgot the name in Spanish. Call it cilantro, something like that. I'm not even too sure. We call it that. And then, last but not least, some coconut milk. not least, did I put salt? Some salt. Gotta add salt. Himalaya. Back up a little bit, man. Yeah, it looks like a lot of salt, but it's sea salt. It's Himalayan salt, so don't worry about it. Last but not least, you make a mix. We try to mix this up. Mix this up, flip it up, mix it in. The milk and everything, like everything mix up. And then we're gonna set the oven to 350. And then it's bake. Don't come for me, I'm not no big chef. But I know how to make shit taste, make stuff taste good. Put that down there. Piece. For the coconut flakes. Different.
A little twist.
A little twist. Coconut flakes. Okay. Mix that in now. Corn. Now I'm going to set the oven to bake 350, 400 to 25. 25 minutes.